Hello guys, here's how you convert PDF to Word in seconds. For example, this file. Let's open Microsoft Word. Click open. Then let's find the document here, click open. Browse, click browse. Go to desktop where our file is. Here's the file. We click it, then click open. There will be a message box. Word will now convert your PDF to an editable Word document. Just click OK. Then done. We already converted the PDF to Word. We can edit down a document. Like for example this, we'll change the alignment. We can also type any kind of word you like. We can save it. Save as or save. I will save it to the desktop. Here's our file guys. Here's the converted one. Done. We have already converted the PDF to Word. Thank you for watching.